Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram can't play video on settings. We'll click here on settings, then we come here to next video here or settings window. We'll just go down, we'll click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we'll just go down here to looking for Telegram app in this is window. We'll just go down here and we will go to find Telegram. We'll click here on Telegram, then we come to next window here like you say. We'll click here on force stop, then we will click here on OK, and we will click here on storage, then we come here to storage window, and we will just click here on clear cache, then we will click here on manage storage, and you just go to Play Store and update your Telegram app, and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.